to my hair. I've done it on purpose. Don't be scared. There's a video on how I did it. I'm going to link it in the description box below. So the plan is to dye it blue, but first I'm going to chop it a little bit. I'm going to use the technique I always use to cut my hair. I've been cutting my hair like this for a long time. People call it a shag haircut or something about Red Mondo, I don't know. I just call it a unicorn cut. First I'm going to wash my hair. It's too hot. Well, okay, so let's wash my hair and I'll be back in a little bit. See you. Okay, so I washed my hair. It's a little bit crunchy because I didn't condition it. So we're going to take our time and just comb through it with being extra very careful. Oh, it's actually not that bad. This is a mess of hair. So I'm using these two hair ties. Hi. So just tie it a little bit as tight as possible. And this is probably as tight as it goes. Comb it through. Oh, this is a little bit weird. I'll just find this little bit, I think it is a little bit dry still. You see? This is all wet. And then there's a little bit that's already dry. This one I'm going to take it off. Okay, this is too much. I don't want it. So I'm just going to go like this to the point where I want to cut it off. This is a little bit of hair I'm going to be cutting. I see people doing this with terrible paper cutting scissors, which I don't recommend, but okay, I'm doing it like this so you can see it. And we're cutting. Okay, so I took all of this off, removed my hair, and this is all the hair I just got. Going like this and just straighten it a little bit, so because you see it's not straight at all. So this is definitely not okay, and we're just going to go ahead and just cut it a little bit. To me, this is actually kind of looking good. No, it is definitely not. Okay, so let's do it like this. I think this is the best way to do it. Just cut it a little bit. See, no conditioner and just shampoo. It's still in very good condition because I just cut it often. I don't know. So let's do it. Let's take this off. Go like this. And this is still giant. Perfect on the front. This is still too big for me. I need to get rid of this. Maybe divide it in the middle. Can you see this? Yeah, so this is perfect to me. This is not. I'm going to part it. This part I need a little bit shorter, so I'm just going to clip it. Oh yeah, this looks good, right? So I'm just making this up as I go, but I figured this would work. I need this gone. Oh, going. Okay. Okay, so this is much better. You can see it's kind of even. Oh, see? It's quite simple. You can cut your hair, no problem. So I'm going to dye my hair next, and as soon as that's ready, I'll link it in the description box below, and then you can see the end result, because let's be fair, this is not much of a end result. Okay, and that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time.